Hello guys, I'm very excited to show you a demo of a fully functional e-commerce website built with Lightning Web Components and Node and Express for the backend and MongoDB for the database and obviously Heroku for the deployment purposes. As you can see, the app is already deployed. So before doing anything, let me just quickly give you a demo. Here you can see it's the home screen and there's some kind of animations on each of the product on hover. Here's our cart on the navbar. You can say go to back, and from here we can login section, and also we can register. And here it's for the orders of a particular person who is registered on us. Sorry, please sign into your orders. Right now we are not logged in, so let me just quickly click on any kind of product, and here's the product screen. And as you can see, the URL is changed, so we are using LWC router library. And let me just quickly change the quantity and add to cart, so you can see the toast notification, and also this cart says now one. So what does it say? That one product is added to our cart, and now when we click on our cart, it shows up that product. And here's the total price, and the total price will change on real time as I update the quantity. Just keep an eye on this one. So it's like, okay, cool. And I can also remove, and here's a cool delete trash bin. So product remove, go to shop, yep, or we can click on this go back button. Again, I'm gonna add a product, and I'm gonna say shop more. I'm gonna add another product with 3 quantity, add, and go to cart. So now there are 2 products, and we can say proceed to checkout. So the best thing about this shopping cart that the registration or login is not necessary, but it's optional for purchasing purposes. So proceed to checkout. Now here, personal information and address information and payment method is selected, cash on delivery is selected by default. And as you can see, this button is disabled until and unless we have filled all of the information on this particular page. So let me just quickly fill out this form, and as soon as all of the fields are filled, this button is enabled. Let me show you that if I remove any of the field, this button is disabled again. So we have to provide information, and we can use credit card, and we have used Stripe payment gateway integration for card charging. So let me just click on cash on delivery and finalize order. The final screen for confirmation. This is the email address, payment method, cash on delivery, and this is the total price. I'm not gonna click on the confirm order right now because I want to show you how the credit card screen looks like. So I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna select credit card, and as you can see, all of the information is already pre-filled because we are using local storage, and we are saving all of the things in the local storage. So if I close the browser, or if I refresh the page, it's still, if I go to cart, proceed to checkout, still I'm gonna see all of the information. So user doesn't have to fill the information again and again. So one for a testing, I guess. Credit card. So here's the final confirmation screen. The difference is that now there is a card details section, and again the button will be enabled when we will fill all of the information. So let me just, for Stripe, there is for Stripe sandbox, there's a card number is 424242, and let me show you the error message. So we're gonna change that, and this is 2344. It should throw us an error. Yep, your card number is incorrect. The error is from the Stripe. So 42, and if I change the expiry month to your card expiration month is invalid, and if I change the year to, it should show us the year's expiration is invalid. And finally, if we give the valid information and click on confirm order, our order is placed successfully, and the data is saved in the database MongoDB and also on the Stripe too. A new customer must be created with this particular email, customer ID must be retrieved, a card must be added to that particular user, and charge ID must be added in our database, and that's the order ID which we are getting from the after successfully getting this. And if I show you, I want to show you the orders. So it says sign in, so I'm gonna sign in with an email, and I'm gonna provide invalid email. So just to show you the error messages, so login, user not found, please provide valid email. If I provide a valid email, user found but password is not set for this email, kindly register first. Okay, so it's another one. But if I provide another email which is properly valid and provide invalid password, so it's gonna say password is not correct. And finally, correct password, user login successfully. And now I can see my orders. As you can see, I have one order for this particular user, and I can click on this detail button and it will get me to this particular order. And if I click on, now as you can see, when I'm logged in, this logo is changed to log out. And if I click on log out, it says user logged out successfully. And if I try to go to this particular orders, I can't view them. Also, if I try to go back, it's again gonna redirect me to the home page because I am not logged in. And on the checkout screen, let me just quickly show you the checkout screen. My email is different from the one which I have logged in earlier, because at the time of checkout I put this email, so in my local storage this email is saved. Here you can see. And I guess that was the demo, and or maybe I can give you a registration, similar password and confirm password must be same. So abcd testing, abcd gmail.com, mobile number anything. Right now I'm gonna provide different password for confirm and confirm, so it should throw password and confirm should be same. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So yep, user registered successfully and we are logged in successfully. And if I click on this, yep, no orders. Maybe in future I'm gonna show that no records found, but right now there are no orders, and we can log out. So I hope that you like the video, and I'm gonna be providing a link for the tutorial in the description, and I'm gonna be step by step from development start to end, each and every page, and we're gonna build this together, and hopefully you'll like it and maybe put that in your portfolio. So thank you so much and have a great day.